Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 14, How to Segment Data and Create Lists. In this lesson, we will discuss how to segment data and create lists for audience targeting in pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. 1. Importance of data segmentation. Data segmentation involves dividing your audience into smaller, more targeted groups based on specific criteria. Segmentation allows you to create more personalized and relevant ads for each audience segment, increasing engagement and conversion rates. 2. Types of data segmentation. Demographic segmentation. Divide your audience based on demographic criteria such as age, gender, income, education, and marital status. Behavioral segmentation. Segment your audience based on their behaviors, such as past purchases, website interactions, or engagement with your ads. Psychographic segmentation. Divide your audience based on their interests, hobbies, values, and lifestyle choices. Geographic segmentation. Segment your audience based on their location, such as country, region, city, or zip code. 3. How to segment data. Use customer relationship management (CRM) systems. CRM systems allow you to track and segment customer data based on interactions with your business. Use website analytics tools. Website analytics tools like Google Analytics provide insights into user behavior, allowing you to segment data based on website interactions. Use email marketing platforms. Email marketing platforms often offer segmentation tools based on subscriber data and engagement metrics. 4. Creating lists for audience targeting. Based on segmentation criteria, create lists based on the segmentation criteria that are relevant to your campaign goals and target audience. Use custom audiences, upload customer lists, website visitor lists, or other custom data sets to create custom audiences for targeting in your PPC campaigns. Use lookalike audiences. Create lookalike audiences based on your existing customer or custom audience lists to expand your reach to new, similar users. 5. Benefits of data segmentation and list creation. Improved relevance. Segmenting your audience and creating lists allows you to deliver more relevant ads to each audience segment, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Better targeting. By targeting specific audience segments with tailored ads, you can improve the effectiveness of your campaigns and maximize ROI. Enhanced personalization. Personalized ads based on audience segmentation can create a more positive user experience and increase brand loyalty. 6. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor the performance of your campaigns based on segmented data and lists. Adjust your segmentation criteria and lists as needed to optimize your campaigns for better results. By segmenting your data and creating lists for audience targeting, you can create more personalized and relevant ads, improve campaign performance, and drive better results for your business.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.